Just like we looked at earlier when adding pagination for our list of blog posts, we can also add this feature for comments too. To do this, I'm going to add 5 comments on any blog post. Let's go for test 1, submit, test 2, submit, test 3, leaving us 5 comments on this particular post. Now we've got over to the dashboard, then to settings, and then discussion. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to reduce the number of comments per page to be 2. So if we look for the option to break comments into pages, we can change this to be 2. Save our changes. Then if we go back to our site, and mine was on blog post 3, so let's head over to there. Click on this. We still see there is a single comment showing on this blog. We did set this to be a maximum of 2, but this is the last page of comments, so we see the comment number 5 on its own. So comment 1 and 2 is on a page, 3 and 4 is on a page, leaving this number 5 on its own. To add the pages so we can skip between these, this is as simple as adding a WordPress function called the comments navigation. We can add this over again in our comments.php file, and I'm going to add this just above our if statement that we added in the last video to check if the comments are open. We already have the PHP tags, so I'm going to add this nested inside. Let's add the WordPress function called the comments navigation. Semicolon at the end. Hit save, and then over to the browser and reload. We now have a title of comments navigation. We can click on the older comments to go back. And now when we have a page back and forward, we also have the older and newer comments link. This default text of comments navigation is added for screen readers. This text, along with the text used for older and newer comments, can also be changed by adding in parameters into the comments navigation function. If you would like to do this, check out the WordPress function reference in the documentation, and you'll see some examples of how you can do this. I'm going to leave this as the default text for now, as it is pretty clear. This is it now for our comments, so I'll now see you in the next section.